Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Super Mario Maker World Engine. To begin your journey, first ensure you have the game installed and launched. Once you are on the main screen, you will typically find options to either create or play. For playing, look for a Clear Play or World button. Clicking this will usually take you to a selection screen where you can browse various player-made worlds and levels. It's quite straightforward to jump right into the action. Mastering the basic controls is key to enjoying Super Mario Maker World Engine. You will use the directional controls, often the left stick or D-pad, to move Mario across the screen. The button is your primary jump button. A quick tap gives a small hop, while holding it down allows for a much higher jump. For faster movement and special actions like a spin jump, you will want to hold down the B button. These fundamental actions will get you through most challenges. The World Engine allows for expansive exploration beyond single levels. Once you select a world, you will often see a world map, much like classic Mario games. Move Mario around this map to find different levels, represented by icons. To enter a level, simply guide Mario onto its icon and confirm your selection. Successfully completing a level will typically open up new paths on the world map, revealing more challenges and secrets for you to uncover. A huge part of the Super Mario Maker World Engine experience is its vibrant community. After playing a level, take a moment to rate it and leave a constructive comment. This helps creators improve. If you find a creator whose style you love, consider following them to see their latest creations. Many communities also host challenges and events, offering fresh ways to engage and discover new levels. It's a fantastic way to connect with fellow players and creators.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.